So, yeah, I need to get one really bad. So, we did the mirrors. We were gonna make a video on it, and then we just kind of got busy. We didn't really care about doing the mirrors. So, yeah, everyone's seen these mirrors before. Well, whatever. Anyways, I need to shut this music off. Hold on. I'm gonna get fucking hung by YouTube and the algorithm of playing music and shit. Anyways, we got a 5-minute sit back here, Flow Pro. It's 8:06. We've been sitting around for like an hour, just kind of talking, hanging out, and then we're like, let's just do the exhaust. He had a sawzall sitting in his truck, and I had a grinder in mine, and now we're gonna chop it off. We might not get the whole thing on there. We're not gonna do the downpipe last because I have a feeling we're gonna chop it off here at Sans and just not care. So let's just get a exhaust clip for right now of what it sounds like. So you wanna go hold that over there for the exhaust? Here, not much noise. Stop. So we're change it. You don't have a
bottle opener.
You don't have one? Yep, this is a proper Friday night after work. Little bangaroo. Are those good, by the way? Yeah, the man turned 21. The man turned 21. I turned 21 in a couple days, but not a couple weeks, I should say. Is it gross as fuck or is it good? Alright, I'll start fucking. I'm not gonna record it, but we're literally just chopping. My neighbors are gonna be so mad at us. We're literally just cutting and chopping shit. Well. Muffler off. My neighbors gotta hate us, dude. All the time, since we were fucking 15, working on stupid shit, pissing them off. Dirt bike, everything. So, we got the 5-inch sitting here, ready to go. We got probably 3 more cuts, and then the downpipe, which, I don't know yet. Next video, definitely gotta do the shocks of this thing, and the mirrors. I should have made a video, but we kind of just did it. Simple. Alright, I'm getting ADHD. So it's been an hour, we got the whole exhaust ripped out. Neighbors hate us because we use a sawzall and whatnot. Anyway, it's been a really dirty day. We're nasty, feel like shit. It's gross as fuck. We worked all day, then went and did the mirrors, and they were like, hey, let's do the exhaust. Let's hear a straight pipe, you know, whatever. Anyways, speaking of that, it's 8:19, so we got the downpipe on, the pipe that goes right to the downpipe, 4 to 5 inch. Now we're just kind of running pipe. It's getting dark out. We kind of, you know, whatever. Anyways, I did tune the truck too. I didn't really record that, but truck is tuned now. And yeah, so we're gonna try getting this done. It's a little later than we expected because we had some things going on, but good productive day today. Holy shit. So it's later than we thought, right, Missy? Come on. And it is later. And we got the exhaust on. I'll show you guys in the morning because you can't really see it.
Hey, remember when your Z broke down and you were like, hey, let's take a vlog? And I said no. This is the first one I'm in now?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I'll update in the morning, boys. Peace out. So it's the next day. This is the 4-inch downpipe. All the way down, right there, to the exit. So with the clamps, blah, blah. Pretty cool. So you guys are gonna ask yourself, why did I put the exhaust right here? And it's still loose because I have to rig it still. I'm gonna go to my shop and weld it. Damn it. You guys are gonna ask yourself, why is the exhaust half up the truck? What was the reasoning behind it? Blah, blah. And the thing is, beautiful Diamond Eye didn't send me all the piping. Luckily, I have another 5-inch piece from my old 6.7 sitting on my shop, so we're gonna go get that. Anyways, let's get a cold start. I haven't really heard this thing cold, so let's get the cold start. Oh my god, these fucking guys in the back right here, shut up. a normal 7.3, but a little bit better actually. It sounds really deep. In person, it sounds deep. I don't know how it's gonna sound on camera, but in person, she sounds pretty damn good, to be honest. Loud as fuck. We're gonna go, I tuned the truck too as well. So we're gonna see how this tune and exhaust works for the 7.3s. Pulling live, saw trailer. Hopefully the exhaust does not fall off while I'm driving, so I'm hoping it doesn't happen. So we're gonna find out in a short few minutes, and I'll update you guys while I'm driving. No way! This thing rolls coal? What? Look at this, boys. Oh, I like this truck again. Holy shit. Yeah, so this exhaust is making me like this truck a lot more. I also tuned it with SCT, just put a toe tune on it. A factory preloaded tune. Probably not the best tunes, but for my trailer, dude, I have no power to get this thing to move. It's terrible. On the freeway and stuff, it's terrible. So the tuner, I mean, got the trailer hooked right now, and it sounds really freaking good. So, or feels really good. And the truck sounds good. It's so loud for some reason. Like, I don't know why. I haven't had a diesel straight pipes in like a couple months, I guess. Is this how loud they were? I forgot how loud these damn trucks were. Oh my god. I love it. Alright, I'll update you guys in a little bit. Two things I got. My hair's crazy. Holy shit. Two things I gotta say about that. One, the truck runs way more healthy. Two, it sounds alright, I guess. 7.3 don't sound too good, so I mean, it has turbo noise, but that's about it. Anyways, I apologize about having a shitty video. I haven't made a video in God knows how long, so I'm not really used to recording the whole day again. But yesterday I just got busy with recording, or with working. Kind of didn't finish the video, so yeah, here's the 7.3. You guys haven't seen it, it's all work pick, dude. Beat the shit out of this thing. Not really putting much money into it. I might get tints on it just because I can't stand no tints. But yeah, here she is, and that's it, boys. Yeah, there's a 5-inch exhaust and a tune on this thing. Runs way better. I pulled the truck out yesterday in this thing. Did a great job. I don't know. Keep you updated for the next video. Peace out. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment, say what up.